Hello, everyone. Today we will learn about a very useful English idiom, to the letter. This phrase is commonly used in everyday conversations and professional settings. Imagine you're building a new bookshelf, and the instructions are incredibly detailed, with many small parts and specific steps. You want to make sure every single piece fits perfectly and that the final product is stable and looks exactly as it should, right? This is where understanding to the letter becomes very important. One day, my friend Alex, who is a bit of a dreamer, was told to follow a new cake recipe to the letter for a very special occasion. He had never heard this idiom before. He thought it meant he should literally write a letter about the recipe, perhaps detailing his thoughts on it or explaining the steps in writing. So, he spent hours at the kitchen table, diligently writing a long, elaborate note about the recipe, describing each ingredient and step, instead of actually baking the cake. The ingredients sat untouched, and the cake, unfortunately, was never made. It was a funny mix-up, but it shows how easily idioms can be misunderstood if you don't know their true meaning. So, what does to the letter actually mean? It means to follow instructions or rules exactly, precisely, and without any deviation or changes whatsoever. You must do precisely what is asked, paying attention to every single detail, no matter how small it may seem. There's no room for personal interpretation or shortcuts when you follow something to the letter. Let's think about a professional baker. A truly skilled baker, one who consistently produces delicious and beautiful cakes, always follows a recipe to the letter. Every measurement, from the flour to the sugar, is done with extreme accuracy. Every step, like mixing times or oven temperatures, is followed precisely as written in the recipe. This meticulous attention to detail ensures a perfect, consistent, and delicious result every single time. They don't guess or approximate, they execute with exactness. Here are some example sentences to help you understand how to the letter is used in different contexts. First, the builder followed the architect's plans to the letter, ensuring the house was constructed exactly as designed. This means the builder didn't make any changes or take any shortcuts. Second, she completed the assignment to the letter, addressing every single requirement and earning a perfect score. This highlights her thoroughness and precision in her work. And a third example, the new employee was advised to follow the company's safety procedures to the letter to avoid any accidents. For a helpful memory aid, imagine you have received a very important, formal written letter, perhaps a legal document or a set of critical instructions. To follow it to the letter means you would read every single word, every comma, and every instruction on that piece of paper, and then you would do exactly what it says, without missing anything, without skipping any part, and without adding anything of your own. It's about strict adherence to the written word. Did you know this idiom has interesting historical roots? It likely comes from the world of legal documents, contracts, or official decrees, where every single word and clause is absolutely crucial and carries significant weight. In these contexts, following them to the letter was essential to ensure there were no misunderstandings, no loopholes, and that all parties adhered strictly to the agreed-upon terms. This historical context helps us understand why the idiom emphasizes such precision and exactness. There are also related sayings that can help you understand to the letter even better. By the book is a very similar idiom, meaning to follow rules or procedures strictly and according to established guidelines. For example, a police officer must go by the book when making an arrest. On the other hand, an opposite idiom is cut corners, which means to do something quickly or cheaply, often by ignoring proper procedures or standards, which can lead to poor quality or mistakes. For instance, if a builder cuts corners, the house might not be safe. Understanding these related phrases helps clarify the meaning of to the letter. A common mistake that beginner English learners often make is confusing to the letter with literally writing a letter, just like my friend Alex did. Remember, it's not about sending mail or putting words on paper in that sense. Instead, it's entirely about precision and exactness in following instructions, rules, or plans. The context is always about strict adherence to established guidelines, not about communication through written correspondence. Always think of it as to the exact word or to the exact instruction. Now, for a quick quiz to test your understanding. If you follow the rules to the letter, you A. Write a letter about the rules. B. Follow them exactly. C. Ignore them. Take a moment to think carefully about your answer and recall everything we've discussed about this idiom. Consider the examples and the memory aid we talked about earlier. The correct answer is B. Follow them exactly. Great job if you got that right. This idiom is all about precision, careful execution, and strict adherence to instructions. It emphasizes the importance of not missing any detail and performing a task exactly as it was outlined. It's a fundamental concept in many areas, from cooking to construction, and even in legal matters. In wrapping up, remember that to the letter means to do something precisely as instructed, leaving absolutely no room for error, personal interpretation, or deviation. It's a valuable phrase for clear communication and ensuring tasks are completed correctly and consistently. Mastering this idiom will significantly improve your understanding of English and your ability to follow complex instructions. Now it's your turn. Try using to the letter in your conversations or writing this week. Pay attention to how others use it and try to incorporate it into your own vocabulary. If you enjoyed today's content and found this lesson helpful, please like this video and follow our channel for more English idiom lessons. We appreciate your support. See you next time for another exciting idiom.